Today we turn one canvas into 4 mini ones. Another day, another painting. Today we step it up into 4 mini paintings. 4 mini landscapes to be exact. So let's get out our paints and paint. We're going to create simple, fast, quick landscapes. We're diving into our bright yellow here and we're going to create these mini simple landscapes. Will it be a chaotic mess? Or can we create something we love in a very short time? Today, we're just going to create some simple landscapes that are easy and fast to do, with yellow at the top and blue at the bottom, darkening up for the bottom part of the landscape. We're going to add some trees very simply and a beautiful golden sun. They're simple, they're easy, they don't take much detail, and that is going to be our goal for today, to work fast with broad strokes, capturing the essence and not worrying about the details. The key to painting in such a short time is to not overthink it. These are rough landscapes filled with skies and mountains and a little bit of breeze. They're not hard to do. You can do it too. We're focusing on the energy and the movement of the brushstrokes and simplifying the backgrounds. We're also practicing a blending technique here and not overthinking the small details. They're really, really simple. Drying the layers in between, adding a second layer and just a tiny pop of detail. On this one, I just added a little bit of stroke for the ocean. On to the next one. Same thing with the sky, but this time we're leaving some white space to imitate some clouds. And then adding in some water just to flesh it out a little bit, leaving some darker parts and some lighter parts, letting it blend and letting it be sharp edges. Going in with a little bit of a darker blue towards the bottom, and here we go, we have beautiful clouds. They're really simple, they're just depictions of clouds, they're not actually clouds. And here we go for a really dark blue ocean. Finishing up at the bottom with a little bit of sand, and there you go, a seascape. Really, really simple. Very little detail, but it's just showing the essence of something. And that's what our goal here was. It's to not depict exact details, but just display a little bit of essence of something. And it's really beautiful and simple. What do you think? Do you love it? Here we go on the next one. Just another simple small canvas. What should we do now? Cerulean blue. Let's use that. And as we go in with the sky, darker at the top, and then dragging the color out with some clear water down to the bottom. Just leaving a little bit of blend here. All the way down to the bottom, tap, tap, tap. I just want to let the color run a little bit, drying it in between, going over it a little bit more at the top, and then a darker horizon line. And there we go with a little bit of a darker blue, creating waves and ocean. A little bit of a seascape. It's calm, it's beautiful, and going in a little bit more with a darker shade. A little bit of a gray-blue mountain with a Payne's gray, birds in the sky, and a red boat. Little sailboat there in the distance, and I love this one. It might be my favorite one. So which is your favorite? 4 little mini easy landscapes that are simple and easy for anyone to create. If you're up for a challenge, try creating these little small paintings using soft and sharp edges. It's a fun way to push your skills. You'll be surprised what you can achieve. Share your work on 30 Days of Painting and let's keep growing together. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for more painting challenges, and I'll be back tomorrow with a new challenge. See you then.